Expanding the algebraic expression of the form a plus b, a2 minus ab plus b2. As we said earlier, this is a similar expression to the previous one, hence, the approach is also the same. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Simplify the following expression shown in the following on screen. Solution. This is an expression of the form a plus b, a2 minus ab plus b2, where a equals 1 and b equals x. Giving that, after expanding, this expression shortens too much based on the formula, we have the following shown on screen. We don't need to make operations with all terms, but simply write the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.3.8. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.3.9, Expanding Expressions of the Form a plus b plus c squared. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.